How to refund an order using Shopify mobile. To refund an order using the Shopify mobile app, open the app and tap on Orders from the bottom menu. Find and select the order you want to refund. Once inside the order details, tap the Refund button. You'll be able to enter the quantity of items you want to refund, and the total refund amount will update automatically based on your selection. You can also choose whether to restock the items and add a reason for the refund if needed. After reviewing the details, tap Refund again to confirm and process the refund. Once done, Shopify will issue the refund to the customer's original payment method. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the customer to see the funds reflected in their account. This simple process ensures smooth customer service even when you're managing your store on the go. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.